60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tyler County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Town Bluff, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement. Tyler Company 911. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Town Bluff, Spurgeon, Roganville, Magnolia Springs, Ivanhoe, and Hillister. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Jasper and Tyler. This is a